Yo, yo, yo. I need to sign into chat. I can't even see my chat right now. Tap yes on your phone. There goes Asia Highs. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay. Should be live now. Yeah, should be live. Should be live. What are we trading today? CPI? CPI it is. It's on my Instagram. Okay. We are live, boys. Live trading PPI. Okay. If y'all can hear me, type some in the chat for me. I need to make sure my stuff's working properly. Day trading PPI New York session. Boom. Live on TikTok, live on YouTube. What do you mean, oh no? Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Isaac, why'd you say, oh no? I'm so confused. Hear me loud and clear? That's what's up. You all ready to trade PPIs in 5 minutes? Hey, what happened to my marketing scheme? Code. You always got to have this up at all times. 90% off. Come on now. Anchor it too. There we go. All right, let's trade PPI, bro. What's the first thing we're gonna do? Guys, so you have to do your top-down analysis. Always, always, always. Hey, believe it or not, this sweep here has still not put in a new low. It needs to break this low first. Relative equal lows below. What's happening again? We've gotten a second sweep right here. Hold on, can TikTok even see? Yeah, they can. We've gotten a second sweep right here. Boom. Yo, what's going on, guys? TikTok is jumping more than YouTube. That's a first. I'm showing you how to know you're not pattern trading. I'm showing you right now. Bro, pattern trading only happens when you don't know how to create a bias. I'm literally showing you through the process of how I do it right now. Boom, this was the first sweep to go lower. This is another sweep to potentially go lower. This is an hourly gap here. I'm trading NQ right now. Drop down to the 5-minute time frame. What is this? Asia session highs. Relative equal highs here above. We could easily take London highs, and then we could easily take these lows. Guys, what did I teach you about what price likes to do? Chat, what did I teach you all about what price likes to do? Does anybody know? Once price takes out a liquidity level, what does it want to do next? Anybody, participation trophy. When price takes out a liquidity level, what does it want to do next? It just took out this liquidity level. What's it coming to do now? Liquidity to liquidity. Ding, 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 ding. So if we know that, London lows is a prime target. We can take out London lows to continue higher to take out these equal highs above. And I think PPI is what's going to send us there. Which is literally in 6 seconds. 6 seconds. Let's see PPI. There's this low. It's going to take it now. It's going for it. Let's see. There it goes. No, it doesn't always reverse. No, it doesn't. It doesn't always necessarily reverse. It can also just be a slight retracement. Look, I literally just showed y'all how to do top-down analysis starting on the 1-hour time frame. I just showed y'all how to do top-down analysis. We can easily reject from here. I want us to as well. I want us to reject from up here. Let's look at what gold is doing. Boom, we do the same thing on gold. Start on the 1-hour time frame and start doing analysis. I blocked you on Instagram? I don't really block people. What did you do? What did you do, gang? I don't really block people, bro. What did you do? You had to have done something. Bro, oh my God, where's Leonard? Look at these freaking bots. Guys, look, it's going to come take out that low like I just said it would. It's going straight for it. Has anyone taken a trade yet? You have a short right at the top. Good shit. That's a good short. But oh, there goes London lows. That just got tagged. That's what we were looking for. Now, if we're bullish, we should reject from here. We just accumulated. This could be the manipulation leg to do a V-shaped recovery back to the upside. If we're gonna reject, if we're gonna be bullish, it should do it here. I'd rather always short than long on NQ. That's literally quite the opposite, bro. NQ is a bullish pair. All right, Lou. Take care. After trade, can you access money immediately? If you're trading on Apex, you need to wait 5 days. Five winning days. If we're going to be bullish here, this needs to reject now and inverse this 3 minute. And that's literally a trade. I'm looking at NQ right now. I'm looking at NQ right now. Oh, Boogie with the hoodie. What's going on? Gold isn't really doing much that I like. We're selling off, yeah, but it looks like we're putting in a lower low, but we haven't swept out these highs yet. Like, nothing, there was no sweep. So that's dangerous. There was no sweep at all. We traded all the way up here. Didn't sweep the highs, and now we're dumping. No sweep at all. I'm not touching gold. NQ, look at it. Look at it. Look at NQ longs on the 3 minute. Wow, beautiful. Perfect rejection. Look at this, equal highs above. While we are currently rejecting this 1 hour. Okay, there's equal highs above, and then there's also equal lows below us, so you have to be extremely careful here. Let's see. Oh, Marcus. What's going on, Marcus? What's up, brother? Yes, I trade ICT, Lewis. If you, let's say, take this 3-minute inverse, you have to go break even here. This is a prime place of where price can reject from. In a 1 hour gap, highs above you, and this is Asia sessions high as well. If this 3-minute inverse and you were to take a long, if you took a long like this or something like that, you have to go break even here or take profits there or something. But I know it'll give you at least these highs. If it wants, even if it wants to go lower, it'll give you at least these highs. I gotta follow me on Instagram. Hey guys, it doesn't matter how many points it is. Don't ask questions like that. It doesn't matter how many points it is. It matters how much you're winning to how much you're losing. Like if my stop loss was this huge, but my take profit was this huge, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. If this was my trade and I was targeting all-time highs, it doesn't matter how many points the stop loss is. What matters is your risk to reward. Yeah, you do 10 points always. Why I'm asking. Yeah, that's no offense, brother. That's probably why you're losing. You have such a fixed, your stop loss shouldn't just be a magical number that you pick. Your stop loss should be where price gets invalidated, not 10 points or 20 points. You have a 20-point stop loss. That doesn't make any sense to me. Nah, my PT, not stop. Your profit target, your profit target should also be where price gets invalidated. Guys, this 3-minute is more than likely about to play out. Yeah, it's all stats. No, I'm not in a trade right now. I said I was waiting for the 3 minute to close. And even then, it depends on how it closes. This is where you got to go break even, right? Look at it running without you. There we go. Guys, you can wait for a retest like this. So you can get a better RR. Yeah, wait for a retest so you can get a better RR. Boom. You're tagged in. Remember, highs, TP. Let me know if anyone takes that. Always blow fundeds day one. Any idea how to solve that? Yeah, if you risk $500 and you take one trade a day, it's almost impossible to not blow fundeds on day one. Bro, try this trade, it'll hit. Like nothing's 100%, but it's going for those highs. It's so obvious. This is NQ. Oh. Let me see what gold is doing. I don't like that gold hasn't swept anything. Let's see silver. Oh, gold and silver are making an SMT. That's nice. I mean, gold is extremely bearish. Gold is bearish, but I just don't like that we haven't swept anything on gold. And nasdaq is playing. Patience. If this 3-minute gets re-inversed to the downside, then get out. But if it's like wicking it, just hold it. You have to make sure it doesn't close beneath it. Why is my chart slow? I mean, it's, I don't know. I pay for TradingView data, so it's probably just TradingView. This is that PPI stuff, man. This is why you avoid these days, guys. There's a reason I don't trade these days. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at that. We're going for these highs, baby. We're going for those highs, baby. Hold. Is Apex good or Tradeify? They're both good. Love. I'll lean towards Apex though. I'll lean towards Apex. I don't know why my trade is so slow. What chart do you use, Lakewood? I didn't even realize my chart was slow. Guys, just hold this trade. It'll more than likely hit. And once it does, move stops to break even. Why Apex? They're the cheapest. They're the cheapest account for you. You can get an account for $19. They're really the cheapest. Make sure you use code DAE at checkout. Yeah, my YouTube stream is delayed, guys. My chart isn't slow. My YouTube stream is just delayed. I think that's just how it is. That's how YouTube is. How delayed is it? Apex has no activation fee, MG. Nah, Apex, I am DJ Scales. They took off activation fees. Y'all need to pay attention to the news. Yeah, they did. They really did. Go check it out. Don't take my word for it. Go check it out. Use code DAE at checkout. You can pick the option to do no activation fee. Since my chat is delayed, since my YouTube is delayed, have we hit TP yet? We're gonna go hit TP in a bit. 15 seconds. That's not bad. Yeah, it's about to hit those highs. That's TP. That's trade of the day. Like if what's it called? I was trading and I took this trade, I'm done for the day. That's how quickly, I'm telling y'all, that's how quickly I get on the charts and get off. Good, Lewis. Good. Now, Lewis, you're up 280. Take some profits and move stops to break even. We hit TP. Can we spam W's? Can we spam W's, chat? We have not hit TP. Y'all are lying. Bro, we edged TP. We haven't really hit it. Good stuff, Marcus. That was a good trade. Now we're rejecting. Don't let this scare you. Your stop should be at break even. Yeah, I see it. That's why that was where our TP was. You can't make this stuff up, man. Let me check. Exactly. You can't make this stuff up. That's exactly where it'll reject from. Lewis, it's okay. Your stops are at break even. Let it pull back. Let it stop you out. It's fine. You still won. You come back tomorrow. Hey, does anyone know how to make my YouTube not delayed? Hey, does anyone know how to make my YouTube not delayed? Check Nas 100 Black Bull. Bro, that's a CFD pair, bro. Oh, yeah. Asia session highs. Yeah, let's tap that for sure. Let's tap that for sure. Make sure you're at break even. Make sure you're at break even. Turning what on and off my stream. Yeah, I'm using OBS Studio. I'm using OBS Studio to stream to YouTube. I heard that's like the best one. What's going on, Harris? What are you talking about? Yes, they are. Some are $20, others are like, it depends on if you're picking end of day drawdown. And it's $20 once you apply a coupon code. Brother, just do your due diligence, man. Go look in, like, what? Come on, bro. If you pick intraday drawdown and you do the one with activation fee, it's like $20. If you pick intraday drawdown and if you pick end of day drawdown and you do no activation fee, then you're going to be paying like $70, $80. But with using a discount code, you have to use a discount code for you to get 90% off. That makes them cheap. Come on, brother. Just do your due diligence. I'm not capping. There's no reason to cap to you, bro. Hey, what about my TikTok live? Is my enable ultra low latency in OBS settings, stream, select YouTube/YouTube live as the service, then change the latency control type to ultra low latency. Do I have to turn off my stream to do that? Do I have to turn off the stream to do that? Hey guys, if you're still at break even, this trade is still playing out. Target these equal highs above. Hold your position. Target those equal highs above. This is a great trade. Called out live on stream. Yep, TP hit. TP. Let's go. TP. This is NQ. This is TP. Lewis, you weren't holding? Told you to hold. Hey, Sim009, let me know. If I go into my settings to do all of that, would I have to turn off the stream? The rules, Hashiman Naram AV, I can't even pronounce that. The rules aren't that hard, right? There's pretty much regular rules. Make sure you pick end of day drawdown. If you do the no activation fee and you use code DAY at checkout, then the rules aren't actually that bad. You can, there's no consistency in eval, right? There's no consistency in eval. Just risk lower, risk less. Take one trade a day. Trade with me on live, and it'll work out for you, man. And yeah, I'll make sure you're break even now, because that's Asia session lows right here, guys. I don't know how it's gonna react from here. Asia session high. I don't know how it's gonna react from here. I'm not Jesus. Lewis, this is the worst possible place to re-enter. We're going break even while you're re-entering. It's horrible. You missed a trade, brother. Let it go. With this trade, just past my 50K funded with Apex. Let's go. Let's go. That's what I'm here for, man. That's what I'm here for. Make sure you all use code DAY at checkout, bro. Let's go. Let's go milk these prop firms. Yes, I'm gonna always trade on TikTok, and I'm also gonna always trade on. Like, yeah, listen to Marcus, Lewis. I do think we're gonna go higher to take out these equal highs, but you have to understand we're rejecting off an Asia session level. So it could easily just come back down and at least maybe hit break even or sweep out this low or something like that. It's like you just want to be careful. Just be at break even right now. No, I'm not. I don't trade CPI or PPI, but because I made a commitment to stream every day, I'm still gonna stream it for y'all and call out good setups. So this was a good setup. But I do not trade CPI and PPI days. I usually like sleeping. Yes, I think you will be profitable with the one-to-one, Syed. But remember, I guess I'm 15 minutes delayed or 15 seconds delayed. So you might catch a setup that's already left without you, and you're just FOMOing in. Marcus, come on, man. Damn, bro. Maybe I need to start doing more announcements in the Discord. Hey guys, we're still pushing. Is anyone holding? Y'all should have gone break even here and still hold some positions. Damn, my TikTok live is jumping. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I did teach you how to enter on confirmation. Yeah, pretty much. You think the price will continue bearish? I don't think so. I think we go up for these equal highs. This is a clean-ass liquidity sweep. Like, look at how clean this sweep is. The most that might happen is we get stopped at break even. But if we continue all the way bearish, I'll low-key be a little surprised. Because this 1 hour is rejecting back into this hourly. So this hourly gap is going to hold. While sweeping liquidity is going to hold. Oh, if this 1 hour inverses, then we might be clipped. There's 1 minute left on this candle. There we go. Look at it push. Y'all see it pushing? There we go. Oh my God. There we go. Look at it push. Okay, this here should be your TP2. And then these equal highs should be your TP3. This should be your TP2 because what is this? This is like a sequences of up close candles and then break of structure. So price can reject from here. And it's the end of this huge 3-minute FEG. So this line right here should be your TP2. Make a channel with your codes. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that right after this stream. Right now, the main codes I have is Apex, Tradeify, and Alpha. I don't really promote Alpha. I'm trying to get my hands on some Lucid right now because Lucid's going crazy. I'm trying to get my hands on some Lucid. Don't get scared. Don't let this scare you. Don't let this scare you. The 1 hour closed well within this bearish gap. Don't let that scare you. Damn, price might actually really want to take this low out first. Hopefully it doesn't stop you out at break even. Let's see. I really don't think it will though. Could you explain the consistency rule, please? I mean, there's no consistency rule on eval. There's no consistency rule on eval. There's only consistency rule on live funded, and it's just you have to have 5 winning days of $150 or $200. I need to go refresh my memory or more. So you just have to have 5 winning days of at least $150 to $200, something like that. If you're taking 1 trade a day, you're risking about $400, $500 going for a 1-to-1, 1-to-2. Using this session liquidity model, we just caught a 1-to-1 right now. Like you get those easy. Now it's a matter of, is this trade going to stop us out at break even or give us more profit? I don't think it'll stop us out though. All good, man. I needed daily payouts again before I could go to Apex. Bro, I love daily payouts. Oh my goodness. I freaking love daily payouts. Okay. Apex funded also have, I think, 50% consistency rule. Yeah, I do think we're pulling back to go higher because remember, guys, what happens at a liquidity level? We either reverse or retrace. So now you got to take a gamble. Are we retracing here or are we reversing here? It doesn't matter. My stops are at break even. That's how you read price action. Don't get out early. Let the break even hit. Seriously, like let the break even hit. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Let the break even hit. Let it do its thing. Let the break even hit and it rips to TP. Don't get back in. It really doesn't matter. I'm trying to teach y'all how to be consistent. Don't sell right now. Don't sell too quick because you're scared that you're going to lose the profits. Oh, TP1 was only $200. I risked 400 on this trade. It doesn't matter. Let it hit. Let break even hit. Bro, I don't see your Insta no more. Bro, y'all are scaring me, bro. Am I like banned on Instagram or something? Y'all are really scaring me. That's two people that just told me that. Dude, my Insta's right here. My Insta's fine. Oh, you're probably in a restricted country. Apple does that sometimes. Hey, if you're still holding, type 1 in the chat. If you're still holding, type 1. If you're still holding, type 1 in the chat. If you're in this trade and you're still holding, type 1. Oh my God, they saw the smoke. There we go. Guys, on the next stream, oh, I want to let y'all know TikTok and Instagram. I'll be streaming my call today with my students on live. I want y'all to kind of get a feel of what I do to actually teach my students and how I genuinely help them try to become profitable. You're going to see it. No other traders doing this, giving y'all a free lesson. I'm going to do it. Why? Because I rock with y'all. Every time I stream, I see the same people in here. Let's learn how you could have caught this trade, why it was a good trade, the confluences to look for, all that stuff. When to go break even, when not to go break even, how to not let fear control you. Like if I was in this trade, I'm not saying this in hindsight. Y'all are going to see this on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday when I'm locked in and I'm trading for real. This week was CPI and PPI week. I wish I started streaming on a different week. I genuinely do not trade those days. Y'all are going to see next month, I will not be placing trades on CPI or PPI. I just do not trade those days. Even though it gives good setups, I have trauma. I have trauma from trading CPI and PPI back in 2025. So I just took those days out of my trading days. So even if I saw a clean setup like this, I don't care. I'm not taking it. You took sells? All right. You might get clipped though. You genuinely might get clipped. Look on the 1 hour. Well, it really depends. We've already had a liquidity sweep. So just know you're taking sells after a liquidity sweep, which could still work. It could definitely still work, but like, I just wouldn't take it. Sim009, did you at least win your trade? I think this trade is going to rip. No, PPI low was here. This candle's low. Okay, guys, we're about to get that 3-minute sweep here. Let's see how price reacts from it. NQ gave that sweep already. Look at gold. I knew it. This is the 700 level on QQQ. Marcus, are you in favor of longs or bears? Longs or shorts, Marcus? Does the same analysis work for gold? Yeah, it really does. It really does. For gold though, gold hasn't taken out this level. Yeah, you like the longs? Let's see if we're getting clipped. I really, really, really need NASDAQ to bounce like literally right now. Like, I don't like this. I really need this to bounce right now before getting any lower. Some of y'all's break even is right here. I need this candle to flip. You don't think you would hold through? I mean, in this situation, we've closed partials. Once I see this candle, let's say I was in 10 contracts. I close 6 or 7 up here. We get this big engulfing, and now we're doing this. I'll close 2 more. Now I'm only in 1 contract. And now I'm still going to let it hit break even. Oh, Lord. There we go. Holy flip. This is the flip I wanted to see. Come on. It needs to hold bullish. It needs to hold bullish, though. It needs to hold bullish. You would have closed fully at TP1. You see, Marcus, that's what we're working on. You need to learn how to hold these types of trades. You need to learn how to hold through pullbacks. That's what we're working on, isn't it? If it hits break even, guys, that's fine. You won. Don't be upset. You won. You won. If this candle closes bearish, that's not good. That's not a good sign. I really want this candle to flip. Like now. Come on, 10 seconds. That's not good. I would trail stops here right now. Because if it trades lower than this low, we might be clipped. Or just leave it at break even because it's pretty much the same. Like this low, I don't want this low touched. There we go. Keep ripping higher. Guys, I know it's a bear market. Trust me, I know that. I know that. But when you see almost a perfect AMD, accumulation right here, manipulation right here, V-shape. This is a V-shape. V-shape recovery right here. I'm willing to give longs a stab. I want it to like go right now. I don't want it. I don't want us to start trading below this low. I really don't. AMD. AMD. And guys, the market is slow like this because of CPI and PPI. Trying to tell you, usually NQ just rips. Look at it goes. Who's still holding this? Who is still holding this? I told y'all, like, don't get scared. Do not get scared. Let's see. I need this candle to make a bullish engulfing. I really need this candle to engulf all the other candles. If it's rejecting, that's not really good. I want this candle to close like this. That's how I want this candle to close. I don't want this at all. There we go. Push. Push NQ. There's that push. Let's see what the 1 minute is doing. Oh man, the 1 minute rejecting hard. Remember guys, your stops are still at break even. You're still safe. We're just trying to make more profits right now. We already made some money. Look, our TP here got hit. We already made some money. This is what happens when you're fading these session liquidity levels, man. It's a lot, isn't it? So you know what to look for. You know why your trade is hesitating the way it is. We're rejecting off of a session level. We're rejecting off of a session level right now. We're still holding this. Remember, I don't want this low tagged. I do not want this low tagged. I do not want this low tagged. There we go. Nice flip. Nice flip. Okay, we should go higher. We should go higher now. Nice flip. Push. There we go. There's that push. We have 56 seconds. I really need this to engulf. I really need this candle to engulf. If this candle engulfs, I'll trail my stops to this low. If it doesn't engulf, I'll still leave it at break even. Everyone, please make sure you're break even. Don't hold through the drawdown. You've secured profits. No reason to hold through drawdown. Make sure you are at break even. Marcus, was your potential stop loss at this candle's low? Marcus, was that where your stop loss was at this candle's low? Right here? If it was, I want to teach you something. Was it at this candle's low? Come on, reject. Reject for me, baby. This is what happens if you try and be greedy and hold through these session levels. Very, very important you do not hold through. Okay, look, okay, perfect. Guys, these no wick candles, right? Like there's a tiny wick here, but it's barely anything. Like these candles that have literally like no wicks, that's a liquidity void in a sense. Price action usually likes to trade below them to put in a wick and then continue going higher. Like see how it's going higher? That's why it's like this is not really a good place to put your stop loss. No wick candles. Look, she should run now. She should run. She's gonna run now. I need her to run. Run for me, ES or NQ. Let's see what ES is doing. Damn, ES is hesitating hard. ES is definitely the weaker pair. Man, look at how clean ES is though. Asia session tap, reject. I love the session liquidity model. Bro, if you hold into market open, trail your stops. Like, seriously, trail it. Let's look at gold. Gold is doing a prime time continuation model. I'm just not longing this gold market. I'll long the NQ market though. I'm not longing this gold market. There's that engulfing we want. 9 seconds till this candle closes. I don't like wicks. I don't want a wick. I want a very strong, you see, I don't like that. I don't like that. I think the market's waiting for market open, but you all are break even though. If it's waiting for market open, you're break even. Throw your break even just a little bit higher so you don't eat like fees and stuff from the market open displacement. Yeah, break even. This was TP1, Asia session level highs. It was a quick 1-to-1 scalp. Boom, TP1. Look at it. Look at her go. Come on, she should go now. Can I explain my setup? on why you got into this trade? Okay, I will. I'll explain my setup. Y'all need me to explain my setup? Okay, I've noticed something, guys. I've noticed something. All streaming is, no offense, is answering the same questions over and over. Okay, we came, we're doing analysis. There's a sweep here to go lower. We do not take out this low. Instead, we start trading higher. We sweep here. I'm active. Do you think longs or shorts when market opens? I don't know. I mean, I really don't know what price is gonna do. That's not my job. My job is not to read price. Guys, look at this. We're moving. There we go. I like this. Engulf that. Okay, you can trail your stops now to this candle's low. But we have to close bullish. I don't want to wick. That'll do. That's good enough. Trail your stops to this candle's low, because if it stops us out here, more than likely it'll go to break even anyways. What did I tell y'all price likes to do? Liquidity to liquidity. We took out this liquidity. We took this liquidity out. Where are we going now? We're going back up. We're going back up, baby. Marcus, see? You wouldn't have your second entry wouldn't have been stopped out if you understood that candle wick theory. That's what it's called, candle wick theory. There we go. You see what I see? Good stuff. No, why? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? What's ES doing? Bro, these are equal highs. We're straight. We're straight. These are equal highs up here. We're good. It's not going to go lower for real. For it to go up, it takes 10 years. For it to go down, it takes 1 second. Shit's ridiculous. Once this low gets tagged, I low-key wouldn't want to be in the trade no more. Because more than likely, your break even is literally like right here. So this low getting tagged more than likely will also hit break even. Yeah, I do think it'll skyrocket, but it's a matter of, is it going to hit our break even first before it skyrockets? Make sure y'all are listening to me and you really are break even. That's how you stay profitable. Protect your capital, man. Don't be greedy. And definitely don't gamble market open. Market open can easily come stop you out all the way at this low first before going higher. Don't think to hold this, especially not through market open. Come on, gold or NQ. This is a disgusting candle. Remember, I don't want this low touched. Really? There are bots you can use to explain your setup with commands like a Twitch chat? That's so cool. You see how it's rejecting? The market knows I don't want this low touched. The market knows. Keep going up, buddy. Don't come down here. There we go. Keep going up, buddy. Keep going up, buddy. Good girl. Good girl, NQ. That's a good girl. There she goes. If this engulfs, we're good. If this engulfs and holds, we're really chilling. No, don't reject. No, guys, I don't trade CPI or PPI. So I'm not actually in this trade. But if I was trading with my Discord, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This is PPI day. I do not trade PPI and I do not trade CPI. All right? Next week I'll be trading because nothing here, nothing. FOMC is at 1 p.m. so I'll trade. Nothing. Bank holiday, so I will not be trading. Next week, yeah. But yesterday and today, I traded Monday and I traded Tuesday for real. But I didn't trade Wednesday because it was CPI, and I'm not trading today because it's PPI. Oh, there's break even. Yeah, tagged out. There's break even. Tagged out. Delete this. Don't hold through that, even if it skyrockets to TP, whatever. Like, boom, break even for sure. That's break even for sure. Now it's going to skyrocket. But still, damn, now it's going to skyrocket. But don't hold that, guys. Don't hold it. If you held this, you're a donut. Just leave it. I don't care if it wins. I don't want to hear how you made $1 million. Just don't hold this, bro. It's market open. Get out at break even. Even though I'm like 90% sure this trade might rip higher. Let's look at what gold is doing. Man, gold looks kind of good. Gold looks great. There's no sweep on the 5-minute. If you're holding this, you're getting clipped. Hey, does anybody want to know? Does anybody want to know where price reacted from? Hold on. Anybody in the chat? Anybody in the chat? Does anybody want to know where price reacted from? Bro, this model is so beautiful. Look at this. What is this? What is this blue line across my screen here that's making price dump like this? It's not market open. It's not market open. You can't say it's market open. Asia session high. Look at this blue line coursing through my screen right now. Asia session high. No, it's not London low. Asia session high made this dump happen. London low made this pump happen. We caught this pump. We didn't catch this dump. Asia session highs. These Asia highs. There we go. Congratulations. London low made the pump happen. Asia highs made the dump happen. Guys, do you believe me now? When I say market moves from session levels to session levels, where is this reacting from right now? This blue candle that's forming, where's price reacting from right now? This red line. What is this red line? London session lows. It's so simple once you learn how to read it and read it correctly. Like, look at that reaction happening perfectly from London lows. Like Marcus, right? Right? It's really like sometimes I get fascinated with trading when I see these patterns like really play out. I get really fascinated because it's so true, man. Like where is gold dumping from right now, guys? Where is gold dumping from? Pop quiz. Where is gold dumping from? Anybody know? Free Apex account? Anybody know? All right, I'll give it away. Gold is dumping from London lows. Look at it. NQ is rejecting from London lows. Oh, I forgot I'm delayed. I thought y'all just weren't answering. I forgot. I'd be forgetting I'm delayed. I'm like, damn, why aren't they answering? I think I'm gonna start giving out funded accounts for participation. You participate in the stream, you win a funded account. No, not high. This is a low. This is London lows. Not high. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my God. This strategy is so beautiful. Nah, I don't like this. Oh my God. And yep. Big rejection off London lows. Yep. Yep. Remember, we still have that buy bias because we want these equal highs touched. I do understand that we are overall bearish, but look how perfectly we respected this 1 hour. And if you pay close attention, there's an itsy bitsy tiny 1 hour in here. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Marcus said, which chat you gotta be in for free accounts? Mainly YouTube. I'll give a couple away to TikTok, but mainly YouTube. My YouTube audience, that's those people know, and trust me. I'm pretty sure everybody who's viewing this stream is subscribed on my YouTube audience. But my YouTube is delayed, guys. I promise I'll fix this on the next stream for y'all. Big, massive rejection from that 3-minute gap. That's why you always wait for a candle closure. Never FOMO into a trade. Always wait for candle closure. Always wait for a candle closure. This is why we went break even, guys. If you're still holding this, you're getting clipped. You're in max pain right now. You've probably moved your stop loss from this low down to this low. I know trading psychology, bro. I used to do that. I used to do it. You decide not to hold through break even because you have such a long bias. So you wait because you think market open is going to rip it higher. Market opens, you get manipulated, it dumps. Your stop loss was here. You move it to here. It almost hits it. Now you moved it all the way down here. And now you're losing triple of what you should have been. Meanwhile, you should have ended the day in profit because you were greedy and you didn't want to move stops to break even when you were supposed to. You see how the psychology of trading? You see how I can tell? That's because I've done it. That's because I've lived it. That's because I used to do that. That's how I know exactly what some of y'all probably did or what some of y'all were thinking. Never increase your stop loss. After this Asia highs got tapped, go break even immediately. Look, it's coming for your stop loss. Look, it's coming. Are you going to move it again? Are you going to move it again? It's coming for your stop loss. Are you going to move it again? Nah, man. Nah, man. It can't hit my stop loss, man. Nah, man. It's coming for your stop loss. Oh, you think you're safe now? Oh, yeah, there we go. That's the rejection I need. Yeah, we're good. Come on, just go back to break even. Just go back to break even and I'll get out. Just go back to break. Just go back to break even and I'll get out, please. Please go back to break even and I'll get out. Go back to break even and I'll get out, please. Please. Please, NASDAQ. There we go. Come on, break even and I'll get out. I promise. I promise. Kobe. Yo. Go back to break even and I'll get out. I promise. And then you obviously know the moment it goes back to break even, your ass is holding. Man, human psychology, just know everybody's journey is the same. We've all been through the same stuff. Some people just decided to lock in and stop doing that shit, while other people kept doing it. That's the only difference between a profitable trader and a non-profitable trader. What you lock into, I'm making fun of unprofitable traders. No, you can't hit my stop loss. No, don't hit my stop loss. No, no, no. I'm gonna move this down just in case price wants to just wick and then continue higher. Yeah, I'm gonna move this down just a little bit just in case price wants to wick and continue higher. Stupid asses. Don't do that stuff, guys. You should have just been break even from when you decide to be break even. There we go, NQ. There we go. Thank you. I promised to get out at break even. Hey guys, remember this is break even. Remember, you promised you would get out at break even right here. Thank you, NQ. I promised to get out at break even. I promise. Oh my God. I used to trade like that not too long ago, bro. Dude, is it crazy that now when I lose, I don't even get mad? We didn't lose today though. We took a 1-to-1 scalp, and then the rest got stopped out at break even. But I just know some people held, and now they're in maximum pain, and I'm making fun of them. Look, hey, there's break even. Are you gonna get out? Okay, you're at break even. Nah, man, I can't get out, man. You see this candle's volatility? Nah, man, I'm not getting out, man. You see this candle's volatility? Oh my God. Nah, man, I'm not getting out, man. You see how volatile this candle is? I'm holding this, man. And it sucks if it genuinely pays you. If this candle genuinely pays you and you win from doing shit like this, man, you're going to get clipped as a trader, bro. You're going to get so clipped as a trader. Good stuff, Marcus. Like, if it hit your break even, are you going to get out? Get out the trade, man. You said break. Now look at your dumbass. Look at it. It's rejecting. You said break even. Are you going to get out? No. Your dumbass wants more money. Look at it. Look at it. Now it's dumping. What you going to do? Now it's dumping. Now it's dumping. Now what? Now what? Because your dumbass didn't want to get out at break even like you said you would. Oh shit, now it's winning. Oh, I hate when trading rewards on profitable shit. I really hate it when trading rewards on profitability. That's why trading is so hard to teach, man, because I'm telling y'all not to do that, but it's winning. It's so hard to teach. New York session is for gamblers. There's somebody that can't trade the New York session. Yeah, they got rewarded. Yeah, that sucks. Like they got rewarded for doing that dumbass shit. That sucks. Well, now at least move stops to break even for real, just in case price comes back. But we would already be out our trade, guys. We get break even here. Once price takes out Asia highs and then dumps, we get break even here. It's okay. Our analysis was correct on the day. There goes TP2 right here. Why they throw an egg at Wemby? No fucking way. Hey, there goes TP2. There goes TP2 right here. And this is those equal highs I was telling you about that price is coming for. It's going to get it. It just had to take us out the trade first. That's fine. That's perfectly fine. Gold is ripping higher. That's perfectly fine that it took us out first. TP2 smashed. Okay, let me make my TPs a different color. There we go. TP2 smashed. Hey, but guys, if you leave your stop loss, where I always advise y'all to leave your stop loss, and you don't believe in going break even, this trade would have completely hit. Always put your stops at the swing lows. It doesn't matter how many points it is. You know where price is going. Just hold. Oh, I appreciate you, Leonardo. Yep. Look at him. Look at him move. Don't get scared of this, guys. I like look at this. Look at this 1 hour flip. Oh my God. Look at this 1 hour flip. Because what happened? I'm telling you what happened. Price moves from liquidity sweep, back to where? Liquidity high. This is where we're going. This is where we're going. Was it because of news? I don't even know. Was there news? I don't see any news. Did Trump tweet something? Voltaire. Did Trump tweet something? No, I have Facebook. That's my page. I have Facebook. I have Facebook. Any account that's Dae Trades spelled correctly, DAETRADEZ, that's it. That's my account. I'm actively running and managing that account. Ah, so there is news. You see why this was our TP2? This is an order block. If we go on like the 5-minute time frame, what is this? Series of up close candles before a dump. This is an order block. I don't trade order blocks, but you gotta know what they are. This is a 5-minute order block. Look, series of up close candles before the dump. So that's why this has to be TP2. And then TP3 can be these equal highs here. And then your final TP can be London session highs. When are we getting the Dae Trades gym page? Bro, hey, not gonna lie, I'm a little like jacked. I'm kind of jacked. I'm in the gym hella. So maybe. Shall I start up all those clipping pages? Clipping pages, have a stream clipping page, have a gym clipping page, have a lifestyle page. It's hard doing all that shit by myself on my regular Instagram. Who in here knows how to clip? Who in here knows how to clip? I already got one, Leonardo. Leonardo's going to be clipping my streams, and I'm going to pay him. Who here knows how to clip? Who wants to make money? There goes TP3, boys. Oh. W, but this was break even. It sucks. But look where it reacted from. Right here. London lows. What did it do? Come back in, tap, bounce. This session liquidity model stuff is no joke. This session liquidity model stuff is no joke. It's the truth, man. It's the truth. By the way, this is trade of the day. Like, if you didn't catch this, don't start expecting shorts from here. Well, let me check. Let me check if it'll give you. Hell no. Don't short this. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Don't short this. Don't short this. Let's see gold. Let's see if I can find y'all something on gold. Marcus, can you clip? Like, you're not too busy? Senior national security officials from the UAE and Iran have held your first face-to-face meeting since the start of the U.S.-Israeli war against Tehran, making a notable shift in regional diplomacy. Notice how news always aligns. Oh, ES hasn't taken out that high. ES is lagging hard. Look, if on ES it stopped you out. Wow, so that was SMT. Guys, that was a great re-entry. You have to catch those. That was SMT. This was actually a good re-entry. If you got stopped at break even, you have to be able to catch those. SMT around session levels are ridiculous. Like you thought you knew what SMT was. SMT around a session level is probably one of the highest confluences I've ever seen in my life. I'm not even joking. You get an SMT near a London low or Asia high or anything like that with ES and NQ, it's gonna rip. Yes, ES put in the low, NQ didn't. That's why it's gonna rip. Hey, you all have to catch that. I didn't peep that. I didn't peep that. I didn't peep that. We have to peep that. We have to peep that stuff. We gotta lock in. You gotta peep that stuff when you're trading. Like, check between ES and NQ. You always want to see what each of them are doing. That's why some people have the split screen. Yeah, ES put in the low, NQ didn't. Great, 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 beautiful, beautiful setup. So beautiful. Yeah, very, very good buy. Very, very good buy. Guys, this is trade of the day. Don't go trying to short. This is why I say take one trade a day, because this move right here usually happens once. You're lucky if you get it twice during the New York AM session. You get one big move and then the rest will just be chop. And then you have to go on the 1 minute to actually find a decent move. Add SMT dive, but I don't want to see every SMT though. Can I edit it? I don't want to see every single SMT though. How does this indicator work? It's not showing. I don't know how this indicator works, man. Oh, it's showing here. Bro, why is it not showing down here? This indicator doesn't work. If it breaks bullish, I'm in. Bro, you want to long up here? Oh my God, bro. You missed the move, buddy. Like, the move is gone. Like, look at this. Like, you want to long now? Now is when you want to long at the very top. We've taken out all liquidity pools, equal highs, London highs. Not saying that we're not going to keep going higher. Just saying this is a horrible entry. Your entry should have been here to catch the move. This inversion fair value gap, oh my God, like, yeah, we would have sat through drawdown. Yeah. But this trade is beautiful. It gave a 1 to 2. W trade. This was a W trade. This was a WWW trade. You the GOAT. Ever since I learned your session liquidity model, it's been working. It really rewards patience. Right now, I've learned about the SMT thing. Guys, I'm telling you, if you join the live, bro, I drop gems every day because I don't remember what's to teach till I see it. So everything I teach you is off me learning through trial and error. I've traded the chart so many times that I noticed that SMTs work, but they work best at session levels. So whenever I see something like this on a session level, I promise, I'm not a hindsight warrior. Next week, y'all will actually see me do this stuff. My Discord knows I'm not a hindsight warrior. I will take this trade right here, even though we didn't really close. Why? You have to rank entries. An SMT at a session level is way stronger than any IFVG. It's an SMT. It stopped correlating with its brother or sister ES. That's an SMT. And then it did that at a high confluence level, London lows. Dude, any bullish candle out of your SMT, and it almost closed anyways, like it almost closed. Any bullish candle out of your SMT is showing volume. Take that shit. Take the trade. Marcus, join the mentorship. It's even better. Hey, man. He said it, not me. I be trying to tell him, Marcus. They think I just want to take their money. No. But if y'all want to apply to that, the link is in the description below. And also today, I'm going to be live streaming one of my calls with my students live today on YouTube. And I want y'all to join. We're gonna be doing trade recaps, going over setups, why it worked, why it didn't work. It'll be like a 2-hour stream. Y'all should really join and learn. Come with a pen and paper. And if this is something that you think will genuinely help you, then you can apply. But if you don't want to apply, that's fine. Link is in the description below. You can learn. You can learn a lot. I'll be live streaming that at around 6 p.m. Central Standard Time today. 6 p.m. I'll be live with my Discord, and I'll be teaching them exactly how we catch plays like this. 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Yeah, YouTube be rocking with me. I didn't think y'all rocked with me like that. I should have just streamed more. And I am gonna start. YouTube be rocking with me. This was such a good trade. This was such a good trade. Y'all have to use code DAY at checkout. If y'all want me to keep doing this stuff, man, calling out trades for y'all to pass your funded accounts, y'all got to use code DAY at checkout, man. Code DAY at checkout. 90% off. Beautiful setup. Guys, this is the trade of the day. Like, it's only because I'm streaming that I'm still on. I will be off the charts, right? I'm going straight to the gym so I can get some gym clips. Why do you feel dumb, Kobe? Why do you feel dumb? No. Why? No, just type in day, not day save now. No, just day. If it was day save now, I would put it on here. It's just day. Code day. It's all good though. After you get your payout and you're buying another one, remember, it's just code day. Of course, thanks, not Chris. Is your name actually Crystal? This is my first time here and you're spot on, bro. I'm up $2,500 today. Thanks for the info. No problem, man. Oh, Dwayne, we been TP'd. Been. Like, I'm done looking for setups. There's nothing left. It's 9:04. I'm done. Yeah, this is NASDAQ. We're done. There's nothing left. I don't care if this goes higher. I don't care if it goes lower. We're done. Gold. Look at gold. Look at this. It's disgusting. Look at gold. Ranging. Don't trade this. There's nothing here for you. There's absolutely nothing here for you. They can save you in YouTube. Hey, I really can. Y'all are going to watch me come here, take one trade and dip out. And I also have a YouTube video where I did something similar. I took one trade every single day for an entire week. I think that was 2 weeks ago. I filmed the YouTube video. Right now it's being edited and all that stuff. You're going to see one trade a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. Lock that slogan into your head. One trade a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. Chris, that's what we were just talking about. We didn't catch the SMT. We didn't see it. We still caught the longs though, but we didn't see it. Chris, remember this, right? An SMT with session levels, London session low, London session high. Don't just take random SMTs. It has to be at a session level. London session low, London session highs. Oh my God, it prints money. Like it prints money. It prints money. Like it's such a good confluence. It really prints money. But yeah, make sure you all join the live tonight, 6 p.m. CST. I'm gonna be trading with my Discord. Not trading. I'm gonna be doing a weekly trade recap with my Discord of last week and this week. So I'm gonna show all the trades from last week and I'm gonna show all the trades from this week. It'll probably be like a 2-hour call, and I'm gonna live stream it all for y'all. All right. There we go, Chris. Now you learned something new. Now you learned something new, Chris.
All right, call me after.
All right, I'll call you after. Peace.
All right.
Yep. We need London highs to get tagged. I hope nobody tried to, I told y'all not to take this short. I hope nobody tried to short this. You just got stopped out. I really hope nobody tried to short this. You just got stopped out. You see, my Discord did exactly what I taught them. Put in your stop loss at the low. If you try to short this, you might actually be a donut. Guys, this is everything I have for live right now. I'm done trading. If you're gonna be here, tonight for the live stream, type 1 in the chat. I need to see who's coming. I might. Don't hold me to it. I might have some funded accounts for y'all. I might have some funded accounts. Type 1. I need to know who's gonna be here. I need to know if we're gonna have an audience. If not, there's no point in me doing it. Thank you, Chris. Who else is going to be here? There we go. Thank you, Adara. It's all good, Kobe. You can watch it after. Julio, hi, let's go. Steves, let's go. Let's go. Let's do it. Well, with that being said, are you going to upload in YouTube? Because for Europe time zone, that would be midnight. Yes, I'll upload it to YouTube. It's alive. It always gets uploaded to YouTube. That's what's up. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Perfect. With that being said, guys, that's everything I have for y'all today. I'm done trading. Boom, just like that. What's my slogan? Done by 9:30. What time is it? It's 9:10. Y'all think I'd be joking? Trade the New York session. We're done by 9:30. It's 9:10. Done by 9:30, man. Notifications activated. Let's go. Make sure y'all subscribe to the YouTube as well. TikTok too. Make sure y'all go subscribe to the YouTube as well, because I don't know if I'll actually be able to stream it on TikTok, but I'm definitely going to stream it on YouTube because I only have 2 webcams. One of the webcam has to show my face for my Zoom call, and then the other webcam can only stream to one platform. And more than likely, I'm going to be on YouTube. So make sure y'all go follow the YouTube. It's the same name as my TikTok. And with that being said, I'm going to end the stream now. I appreciate everybody here. That was such a great trade. I'm going to catch y'all boys in the next one, all right? Peace out. Peace.